Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature of this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just open the app. Here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as you can see here, we got the temperature with section with the temperature of our battery. That's 30 degrees in my case. And also here we got the other information like the model of our device, Android version, and more another information like the the capacity of the battery, the health level, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.